My name is Nick Johans. I own Johans Hauling Services. Started back in 2018. We haul anything from skid steers to mini X's to scissor lifts. Day in the life of Nick Johans is working, for Caterpillar mainly. Pull mainly out of Aurora. We can go anywhere from Fort Collins down to El Paso. Haul equipment for other companies in the Denver metro area. We can get a call at 8 o'clock at night and have to go out, not necessarily have to be a 40-footer to go do hot shotting stuff. You can do it on a bumper pull trailer if you needed to. I started off with Diamond C back in 2018. I did some research looking up trailers, and quality wise I wanted to go with one that was durable and they stood behind their name, and started off with an F Max, and then went with a Brand X trailer after that. Short-lived on that, we went with another Diamond C tilt deck trailer, and haven't had to make a change since then. In the future, my next Diamond C would probably be the MVC. That way I can haul two of these trucks at the same time.